Hey guys, I am so excited to bring you this video today. I was on my lunch break and I was trying to get some stuff done behind the scenes. And I came across this marriage that just happened. I'm not even sure when it happened, but anyway, I got to tell you about this integration that I think you guys are going to absolutely love. So I'm currently on Lulu's site. So, those of you that know, my name is, I'm sorry, I didn't even introduce myself because I'm so excited. I'm Barbara from Inspired Paper and Designs. And today I want to introduce this new couple to you. So I'm on Lulu's site and I'm going to show you, I have a video already about how to make a book using Lulu. I'll put the link in the comments below. But this is what I want you to check out. So I'm going to do print book, right? Print your book. So I'm not going to have them publish it. Again, check out the link below if you want to go in, if you want to see me go into details about how to make the book. I'm skipping all of this because I just want to get to the good part. So I'm going to upload. There it is. Introducing the Canva Cover Designer. Canva and Lulu are now together. You can design your Canva cover straight through Lulu. This is so exciting. So all right, so I'm going to do upload your PDF. So the PDF that I'm going to upload is one that I just created. Again, I'll drop the link in the bio. I'll drop the link below the video. It's my affirmations pages. Let me see if I can find it. I can't remember what I named it. I think it's okay. I think this is it. I hope that's it. So you'll get to see my affirmation pages, which is currently available for you to purchase. You get the PDF along with the templates. So if you just want to have a cover and then the pages each or every other page is a positive affirmation, which you'll see in a second. It was uploaded successfully. And I think it's about 120 pages, if I'm not mistaken. It's 120, 8.5 by 11. Cool. So we're going to go down here. We're going to say black and white. Standard, because there's no color. My pages are straight black and white. We're going to do 60 white. I am going to select hardcover because I found that hardcover is a little bit more difficult to create than coil bound because of the trim and all of that. So we're about to do that right now. So I'll go through hardcover. If you can do hardcover, you can do coil. So I'm going to choose glossy, which I always do because I like that shiny look. It's going to tell me how much it's going to cost. So it's saying $10.79. Again, I'm doing 8.5 by 11, 120 pages. So that's why. This is the part that I'm absolutely in love with. You can upload your cover, use their template. Now you can use Canva. I'm so excited. So we're going to go ahead and create a cover in Canva. And for those of you that may be new to my channel, I am a certified Canva creative, which means that when certain features come out, they have us test it first. So I'm so excited about this feature that's available for anybody that uses Lulu. So then it gives you the directions. So it tells you to download your customized template, which I am going to do because when I was testing out the feature, I did 6 by 9. So I am going to have to download this template. Open in Canva, sign and register, which I should already be signed in, but we'll see. Upload the template, use Canva's designs to create your cover. This is like so awesome. So I'm going to go ahead and download it. And the cool thing about downloading the template is already ready for me to upload to Canva. Like I don't have to make any changes to it. So I'm going to go ahead and design on Canva. How cool is that, right? So it's already formatted to how I need for what I need for it to be, okay? So I'm going to go to uploads and I'm going to go ahead and upload the Canva cover. As you can see, I've been playing around with it. So let me see if it'll let me drop and drag. Yep. This is so exciting. I am so excited, guys. Okay. So you see, I click and I'm going to zoom in. I'll make it 75. If I have to zoom back out, I'll let you know. Okay. So all of the mentions and everything is here. Now, when you're doing a hardcover, it has this wrap right here. So you have to account for the wrap. So I'm not going to print over the wrap. I'm going to have it right to here. Now, you know what? Let me see. Let's play around with it and see, because I have a design that I'm going to create on the spot that I was thinking about on my way home. So let's see what happens. Let's just go for it. All right. So I'm going to make this a little bit smaller. All right. Let me see. Yeah, it's not. I thought it was going to do something else. My fault. All right, so I'm going to have to make this screen. There we go. Fit. So I'm going up here and I'm dragging it out, right? And as you see, it already fits because Canva and Lulu are together. So it already synced in what dimensions you need. Guys, this is like a game changer. I'm so excited. So now I'm going to go ahead and create my cover from scratch. So I'm going to use an image from MUJKA Chic, MUJKA. I am an affiliate for them. I'm going to go ahead and drop the link in the comments if you want to make a purchase. Her images are amazing. So I'm going to use Kamala Harris. And what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to make this transparent. I want to leave this here because I want to be able to see all of the dimensions, but I'm going to leave this transparent. So she belongs to a sorority, so I'm going to go ahead and put her sorority colors in. That's not what I wanted. I'm sorry. I'm getting so excited I forgot. Okay, so I want to use shapes. And we're going to go for this shape right here. I'm going to put this in the corner. And I know I'm going to have to play with the size in a minute, but that's okay. We're going to move this over a little bit. Move this over right here. I'm going to drag this out right here. And we're going to make that pink. Now I'm going to just type in the word pink. Maybe I should type hot pink. I use hot pink so much, so I'm using my eyedropper feature to get the hot pink because I use it so much. I should actually know it by heart, but anyway. So control copy. We're going to come back here. We're going to copy the hex code right here. So I'm going to make that pink, and I'm going to, let me see. I'm going to move this over. Oops. Nope, not what I want to do. I'm going to delete that real quick. I'm going to make this green. There we go. Let me see if they have a green that I like. But I want to use a shape. I'm not going to use background. Let's use a shape. So let's do elements. Let's do shape. Where is it at? Let's flip it. Is it going to let me flip it? No, I'm going to have to turn it. And I might change the colors out. Again, I'm just doing this like completely on the fly. So we're going to make that. Let me see if I have a green up here that I like. I don't think I do. Let's do green. And I may have to play around with the shades of green. That's not the green I want. So I'm going to see if I can kind of get close to the green that I want. That may not be the exact green, but that's fine. I'll just, again, just for purposes of this video. So we'll do this right about here. I'm going to push this back. And I'm going to push her forward. Oh, hold on. There we go. Push her forward. And I may make the pink, I may flip it. I think I might flip the colors. I have to see. I think I'm going to flip the colors. So I think I'm going to make that green. And I'm going to make this one. I knew that was going to happen. I have to undo. Hold on. I do want this to be a little bit bigger though. Undo. There we go. No, I'm going to make that bigger. drag this in. It's not gonna let me do it. Hold on. Which is fine. I can make this one bigger and then do that one like that. Oh, I like the way that slants. Okay. All right. Yeah, we'll leave that like that for now. Now, let me see. I'm not sure. So this is the full image of Kamala Harris. I don't know if I want to make her bigger, though. Let me see. I might want to make her bigger. Uh-oh. I have a new mouse, too, that I'm trying to work out. Stop, mouse. My mouse is acting funky. Okay, so let me draw her up here. Let me see. Okay. It's coming together. I apologize. Let me turn my phone down because I don't want it to interrupt. Let me see. There we go. Sorry about that. All right. So there goes the cover. So I think what I want to do is, let's see. This is the template from Lulu. So I'm going to drag this out, and I think I want, sorry about that. I'm trying to get used to the mouse. Okay, so it went to the back. I still want to make it transparent though, so it's not like too dominant. Okay. So then I think I'm going to take this and I'm going to group it. So let me see if I can group those, make a copy, bring it over here. But I think I want to flip it. Let me see, is it going to let me flip? Well, no, because actually that would be the bottom. But I don't like the way that did that. So hold on. And I'm going to make this larger because I want to see the spine. Because I think I'm going to leave the spine. I'm going to make the spine white. I think I'm going to make the spine white. So let's make this 75. Ooh, that's too big. Let me see. 50 might be too small though. Okay, that's good. So I'm going to ungroup this so I can get it as close to this as possible. Again, I'm totally on the cuff with this. So again, I was just so excited to see it. Let me see. There we go. So then this, I pull this up. I can't tell if it's the same size. Hold on. I think I'm going to have to. Let me see. I'm already scrolled up. Oh, let me see. Is it the, we might have to get the ruler feature. Let me see. Let me undo. I may need the ruler feature because I went too far up. Let's see. Is it going to let me? Uh-oh. So as we can see, the features are very limited as far as I can't pull up the ruler or anything like that. So we're just going to kind of guesstimate since I can't pull up like the ruler feature. Or it doesn't, at least it doesn't look like I can. Again, this I'm doing because I was just so excited that I was able to do it. So I'm going to push this to the back. Let me see. We're going to push this in. We're going to push this down. And I know it's off a little bit, but again, my primary thing was I wanted you just to be able to see that they're integrated. Undo. Position. Let me see. Is it going to let me? Nope. There we go. All right. So that goes there. I think she was down here. Something like that. Let me see. Somewhere around there. Then this was somewhere over here. So we're going to leave this zigzag. I kind of like the zigzag. So let me just show you what it looks like. So that's what we're working with. I kind of like that. I may have to use this. So anyway, so now all I do is hit use cover, and Canva is just preparing the design. Now it's uploading. Like, guys, I cannot tell you how excited I am about Canva being integrated with Lulu. Like, this is hot. This is hot. All right. So remember, I'm doing 8.5 by 11, and I'm doing the hardcover. So as you can see, let me scroll down a little bit. Okay. So this is the wrap. So this is the part that will go like around the book. I'm trying to see if I have a sample of a book that I can show you guys so that you can see what I'm talking about. Oh, I do. Cool. All right. So this is a journal that I did, and I was experimenting with Lulu because I was trying to play around with the spine. I don't know if you can see, but see how the spine is off. I'm still, I had the measurements off for that one. So, but this I created on Canva as well. And the wrap part right here that it's referring to is this wrap part that's like right over in here. I don't know if you can see it or not, but like it's a line that's right here. When you purchase a hardback book, you see the wrap part. That's the part it's referring to. That's the part that you want to make sure is you take that in consideration. Okay. So this is going to be white. I don't have it over far enough. Like, I see how the spine is still kind of not over as far as I would like. So, and then it does have, I got to make her smaller, or actually I can bring her down, but that's cool because guess what? All I got to do is go back here and I can revise it directly on Canva. Guys, I'm so excited. So I need to bring the lines over a little bit more, and I need to move her down. All right. So we're going to do that right now. And I'm going to drag her over. We'll drag this over. Another thing I wanted to point out too, see how up here it has 19.25 by 12.75, which are the dimensions right here. But if you see when I drag it out, Canva made it 19.3 by 12.8, so it rounded up. You actually want to go down. So you want to make it 9.1 by 12.6. And you'll see why in a second. Now, I only found this out with the hardback cover. I don't know if it's the same thing with, the paperback and spiral. I don't think it is, because with those, you already know it goes to the edge. With the spiral, you don't have to worry about it. With paperback, it may or may not be an issue. So I want to stay within here. So I'm going to make this transparent. So as you can see, that's the part they were referring to. I really don't care too much about the legs. I do want to fix this part. So what I'm going to do, and I do need to fix the binding. So this is what we're going to do. I'm going to make this large. I'm going to see if I can push this behind or to the back. Okay, so it's still showing. So see, I'm going to drag this over a little bit. Let me see if I can find the, okay, there we go. So I'm going to drag it over just a little bit. Yes, I am trying to get it perfect in case you're wondering. And I got to drag this over a little. So let's see, just that much. And then I got to drag this up a little so I can cover the blue. But the good thing is, like I just showed you, if I need to make changes to it, I can. And I'm going to pull this in a little bit. Let me see if it'll let me. All right. Let me drag this down. Oops. This mouse, guys, is like killing me. All right. So let's see what we're working with. So this spine should all be white. And now I'm going to make her smaller because remember, she's in the cutoff part. So I will make this about 50 so that I can drag her in. So we want her in the white space. Move her over. Let's see. We want her in the white space. Okay, she should be fine, but guess what? We're going to find out in a second, and if it's not, all I got to do is go back to revise in Canva. So let's see what we're working with. My file is uploading. So we're going to give it a second. It has to take out the old one, put in the new. So I still got to bring her down a bit. Oh, that's right. And I also, I left the Lulu background on it. I didn't even think about that. I left the Lulu background on it too. So let me see. Position to the front. All right. So she should be right here. So let's see. She should be right there. Position that to the back. So she should be over some. Let me get rid of Lulu's background. I don't like her over that far though. I want her right there. So let's see what happens. All right. So let me get rid of the Lulu background. So let's see how this looks. So remember, the wrap part is the part that goes around the book. I want to make sure that nothing is on that wrap part. And it shouldn't be, but because Canva allows you to revise, it doesn't really matter. Like, you can just go in, it worked. Oh, wait a minute. Okay. So it worked. We're good. So wrap part is, again, remember the part that goes inside the book. It's not touching that, so we're good. It's within the trim, so we're good. The spine will be white. We are, oh, this is awesome. Of course, that messed up because I was, again, rushing, but you guys get the general idea. All right. And then let's see, move it up a bit. And then my pages are inside. And as you can see, my pages are a perfect fit. My affirmation pages. So this is amazing. So guys, like I said, I'm just so excited that I was able to share this with you. Please make sure that you subscribe, click the little bell so that you're able to get notifications when I go live. And until next time, thank you guys for checking me out, and I will talk to you soon.